Welcome back to my channel. It's time to change the iron, and today I want to share the tutorial how to install the industrial iron, and my husband will help me in this tutorial as well. The iron I bought it is CES94A.
Here are all the pieces for the gravity fed iron, steam iron. This is a filter. We want to go through. We'll get to that in a second. Alright, first it's a pad just like the one you see over here. The iron rest. Instructions, distractions, exactly. Alright, so this one is the iron shoe. The shoe protects it in case something gets burned or sticky. And it goes on, make sure it's all nice and clean and it doesn't get scratched. Just like that. It's always a snug fit. So make sure you have the right size. So this one is more like, I would say, plastic cover. Okay. This is where your adjuster for the temperature. So off, and depends on the fabric. Normally you should stay around 4, but we'll get there. And a switch on off. Now let's get this thing going. So we have a tube. It's pretty flexible for the water. We'll try to get it untangled. So one end goes to the tank, fuel tank. The other one goes to the iron. Before we do that, we can actually put the filter. Alright, so here's a filter, demineralizer for all gravity fed iron. Alright, so it has some kind of sand particles inside. Get it all nice and neat. And there, this part goes there. And the top will go in there. Okay. See this? So normally it should stay about 2 meters above. So I put a hook up on. Ta-da! You want to make sure this one is nice and snug, and it gives a flexibility so it doesn't kink and break or cut the floor. Okay, and then we have our clips, so you can use them to clip so it stays attached to the hook. And if you can see, this is a small, that's the big one. So the big one will go on the water line, the small one will hook up to the cable, the power cable for the iron. And you can go as high as you go. So we'll use all of them.
Make sure to turn on the iron and let it heat at least for 30 minutes 1 hour before you work with it. Also, make sure do not push the steam button before the iron is hot. Otherwise, it will be too much water in the iron. I hope this tip will help you. Thank you so much for watching and wish you all the best.